Okay guys, welcome to Blender. So today we're doing a wall light. I'm going to go ahead and just squish down this cube and just kind of expand it a little bit so we can add the light to it. And I'm going to get rid of the lights from the actual set. So, let's go with render, EV to cycles. We're going to go ahead and add a cylinder. Let's rotate this sideways by 90. Oops. What did I do? 90, there we go. Okay, so I'm just going to squish this in. Now let's press G. And we can rotate this by about 50. Let's go with 80. No, 70. Trying to get that nice little blend. Maybe we could go 10 and then rotate it 180. And then scale this out. Shade smooth. We're going to press G, just bring it away from the wall a moment. And then I'm going to go ahead and let's edit some of this stuff right here. So, we can go with the middle right there. And we're going to add an emission to this. So, let's go ahead, select a few of these squares just here. And then we'll select this, E for extrude. So it goes inwards. Let's go material tab, new. This will be the first material, so we'll have this as silver. Nice little silver kind of cover. And then the second material that we're going to have in the middle here is a plus, a new. Change out principal BSDF for emission. And then we will have this as an emission piece right here. Don't forget to click assign, because otherwise it won't work. So let's go to the object mode right here, and now you can see if we go into the render, we have light coming in the scene. So we can adjust this as need be. And what we can do right here is, let's go add, we'll go with a cylinder. Let's go into the regular render just for a second. So cylinder right here, we can turn this by 90 degrees. Let's go G. Bring this across, and essentially what we're going to do is have this as a little pin to hang the light on. So let's go G on this side, bring this up, edit mode, take the face at the front here and E for extrude, rotate the end, and then we'll press G to bring this down, and then E for extrude. And we're going to go ahead and rotate the end just by hand, and then G to bring it down. So we're going to go ahead and right click, shade smooth, take the light that you've just made and press G, and then just line them up as such. So they're like this. These are great for pictures. You could put your picture right here. These are great for little office projects as well. I would make the stand of the light black. So you've got something like that. So essentially it's just a wall light to display something at the back of a scene, or something of a kin, something that you would use in a museum or something like that, or a bureau. So, if you like the tutorial, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks.